Hey guys, it's the Harris family here. So, you know, it'd be so much easier if we could afford to have something in the car so that way you guys can be jamming out with me like I jam out to the radio because I'm pretty funny like that. What I'm doing right now, I'm pretty much starting in a movie at Main Street Video, and I've been pretty much coming to Main Street Video since I was a child. Like, my dad brought me to Main Street Video, which if you don't know what Main Street Video is, it's our local movie store. She also has tanning beds there. She also sells jewelry and merchandise. She also just got those Fidgets. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Yeah, she's allowing me to go ahead and video in her store. She is freaking awesome. I've pretty much known her like my whole life, like pretty much. So what I'm turning in today, me and the husband, we just watched Logan. And obviously I'm not going to give nothing away because it's a pretty awesome movie, you know, and I'm not going to give nothing away, I swear. So yeah, she has obviously all the local new videos that come out, that just came out of the movies, and then also like movies that you haven't watched in a while. Like, I had just gotten Stick It. I don't know if any guys of you have watched it. It's like an older gymnastics movie. It's hilarious, and it's like one of my favorite movies. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and go in there and say, hey, how's it going? You say cheese? Cheese. So I just left Main Street Video, and normally I just go, oh, I just left Debbie's, because obviously she's the one that owns Main Street Video, and she wanted me to let you guys know that she is selling fidgets. And she just ordered some that like glow in the dark. Obviously I don't know much about fidgets, but she's selling them for $6 each, and they're going pretty fast. So if you guys are ever in the Sparta area, you guys should definitely stop by, check her out, buy stuff from her. Obviously you guys can go get fidgets, get a scarf, get a shirt, get some jewelry. Obviously go tanning. She also does spray tanning, last that I know, because I had the spray tan, but while I was pregnant with my best friend, so don't quote me on that, because pregnancy, I've heard before I got it done, wasn't that great to do spray tanning and stuff, and obviously didn't go so well, but it was only for me that didn't go so well. That was while I was pregnant. My best friend, hers was fine, and she wasn't pregnant, obviously. So yeah, I might mention her in other videos, because I come here all the time. And obviously my dad does too, so I mean he's the one who introduced me to coming here. And she's on like the main strip. Obviously she's no longer on Main Street because she's expanded a lot. So she's up on the main strip now, and you'll see I took pictures of it. Main Street Video, she is only closed on Mondays, and a lot of people don't know this. But whenever you get a movie from her, it's actually due by 6 p.m. the next day. And a lot of people kind of like slide by, and she just, you know, she just wants you guys to know that they are due by 6 p.m. the next day if you have a day, or obviously 5 days, whatever you guys decide to do. But yeah, she also has this awesome deal, which I obviously love, where older movies that she has them all color coded, and the older movies are white tagged. And most of them, like any that are white tagged, you can get 5 movies for 5 days for $5. That is freaking awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, obviously give it a thumbs up and come check her out. She's amazing. So most likely I'll probably just say I just left Debbie's instead of Main Street Video, just so you guys know I'm still talking about Main Street Video. So yeah, obviously check her out. Like this video if you liked it. And obviously give it a thumbs down, tell me why you didn't like it in the comments, and obviously I'll address questions, anything like that, and hopefully I'll put more description down below of what she does, what goes on, and everything like that. So yeah, obviously subscribe to us, and see you guys next time.